Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll first enable PyP in Settings, then begin playback so the feature can activate. Open Settings General Picture in Picture and switch it on. Once done, launch a supported app or Safari and play the video. While the video plays, tap the PyP icon or swipe up to home to shrink the player. You're initiating PyP now. This step hands control to the system so you can move on to positioning and multitasking. Once the video is floating, you'll position and adjust it for your workflow. Drag the window to any corner. It snaps to edges so it won't obstruct key UI elements. Pinch to resize for a larger view or a compact overlay, and double tap to toggle preset sizes. Use the on-screen controls to play, pause, or return the video to the host app. Make sure to test gestures so you can move quickly while you work in other apps. To finish, tap the return arrow to go back to the full app or press close to stop playback. Your PyP session ends cleanly. If PyP won't start, make sure the app supports picture-in-picture and that iOS is up to date, because compatibility is the common blocker. If gestures or controls are unresponsive, force quit the app or restart the device, and then repeat the steps. This usually resolves transient issues and gets PyP working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.